Hey sax players, today I'm going to teach you a famous Charlie Parker lick. As always, a free PDF download goes along with this lesson, so let's jump right into it. Rich here from Dr. Grennor's Music Academy. If you want to improve your ability to improvise, memorizing scales, patterns, and licks like this one will give courage to your imagination. The idea is to build a large vocabulary of these phrases to help aid our imaginations when we improvise. It's also essential to take these phrases and licks and learn them in all 12 keys. To help you with this, you can download the free PDF for this lesson and learn this lick in all keys. It's important to note that the lick we are about to learn was recorded in 1946 by Charlie Parker during the fourth take of his tune, Yardbird Suite. Parker plays this notable riff. That riff is arguably the most famous and quoted in jazz history. If you don't believe me, check this out.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the co-editor of Downbeat magazine, Mr. Leonard Feather. Let's get
the metaphysics of a jazz thing.
This lick has come to be known as the cool blues riff or the cool blues lick. Let's get started working on the cool blues lick at what I like to call a good tempo for learning. Now, let's break down this lick so that you better understand how this lick applies to the harmony. The lick is diatonic, or follows the 7 natural pitch degrees, in this case from the A major scale, with the first note beginning on the 5th of the scale, E, moving down to the 3rd C sharp, then up stepwise from C sharp to D and E, then up to the root of A, down stepwise from A to G sharp, F sharp, E, and D, then down to the 2nd scale degree of the scale, B, up to the 6th F sharp, up to the 3rd scale degree, C sharp, then to the 5th E, and back down to the 2nd scale degree, B. As you practice this lick, use the gear icon on the bottom right of the screen to slow down or speed up the tempo as you practice. If you take the time and work to learn this lick in all 12 keys, your fingers will remember the work you put in, and vocabulary like this will start coming out in your improvised solos. To download this lesson's PDF, click the link below and fill out the form on that page. You will get immediate access to the Saxophone Chop Shop, which has the lick transposed into all 12 keys and a backing track to practice over. You will also have access to all of my free downloadable resources. Look for the Cool Blues Charlie Parker lick lesson in the list and browse and download all the free lessons there. So, let's listen to the whole lick again. If you got some value from this video, click the like button. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comment below. I love hearing from you. See you in the next video.